Is it really possible to build a house for less than $1,000? 3D printing challenges the impossible. When we think of building a house, high costs, months of work, and a large team of workers immediately come to mind. But imagine if it were possible to have a house for less than $1,000, built in a few days, and with almost no labor. It sounds like science fiction, but this reality is getting closer thanks to 3D printing. In recent years, 3D printing technology has revolutionized various sectors, and construction is among the most impacted. Innovative projects around the world, like the Tecla Project, show how it is possible to build entire houses using 3D printers, with very low costs and a minimal environmental footprint. How does 3D printing of houses work? Unlike traditional construction, which involves materials like bricks, cement, and an army of masons, 3D printing uses robotic arms programmed to extrude layers of special materials such as clay, concrete, and even biopolymers directly on site. These layers are placed one on top of the other, creating the house's structure quickly and precisely. In the Tecla Project, for example, a mix of local clay and natural fibers was used to print a sustainable and affordable house with an approximate cost of $900. This amount is comparable to the price of a high-end smartphone, making these homes accessible to low-income populations struggling to find affordable housing. The advantages of this new construction model. Besides the extremely low cost, 3D printing offers a range of advantages. One of them is sustainability. Since the process uses only the exact amount of material needed, resource waste is minimal. This helps reduce the environmental impact, promoting a more sustainable future for the construction industry. Another benefit is speed. Houses like the one in the Tecla Project can be built in a matter of days, as the 3D printer works 24/7, with no need for rest or large teams. This significantly reduces construction timeframes, which is ideal in emergency situations such as natural disasters, where the need for temporary housing is urgent. And the challenges? Of course, like any emerging technology, 3D printing of houses still faces challenges. One of the biggest is scalability. Although there are successful pilot projects, the global housing market is still dominated by traditional construction, with a heavy reliance on manual processes and materials like cement and steel. Additionally, regulatory issues and resistance from the traditional real estate sector can slow down the mass adoption of this technology. An accessible and sustainable future? The possibility of building houses for less than $1,000 with 3D printers is no longer a distant dream. Projects like Tecla and many others around the world are demonstrating that this reality is approaching. With a combination of low cost, high construction speed, and sustainable use of resources, 3D printing could be the key to solving the global housing crisis in the coming decades. Adventurers, every subscribe is a step forward in our quest. Join us by hitting that subscribe button and help us unravel more secrets of our amazing world. Your support is our greatest adventure. Thanks, and see you in the next exploration.